before you close your eyes tonight, stop for a moment. The thoughts you plant in your mind before sleep are the seeds that will grow into your destiny, for it is in the silence of the night that your subconscious mind goes to work building, shaping, and attracting the very life you believe you deserve. So tonight, I urge you, speak power into your dreams, speak faith over your fears, say these words before you sleep, and watch the universe conspire to make them real. Before you close your eyes tonight, remember this simple truth: your mind never sleeps. When your body grows still and your eyes grow heavy, your conscious mind steps aside, and your subconscious mind begins its work silently, tirelessly, and with perfect faith in whatever you have last impressed upon it. This invisible power is your greatest ally or your greatest enemy, depending entirely on the thoughts you allow to dwell within it before you drift into slumber. Every great success, every remarkable achievement, has been born from a mind that was carefully fed with purpose and belief. The subconscious mind is like fertile soil. It does not question what you plant. It only gives back in kind. If you sow seeds of worry, doubt, and fear before sleep, those same seeds will grow into obstacles that block your progress. But if you plant thoughts of confidence, gratitude, and success, your subconscious will spend the night building bridges toward the realization of your dreams. It will draw upon infinite intelligence to find ways, means, and opportunities to make your desires real. Understand this: the last 5 minutes before you fall asleep are sacred. In those quiet moments, your mind is most receptive to suggestion. What you tell yourself then becomes instruction for the night's work of your subconscious. If you end your day replaying failure, anger, or anxiety, you are programming yourself for struggle. But if you close your eyes with thoughts of victory, abundance, and peace, you are commanding the forces of your mind to create those very conditions in your waking life. Napoleon Hill taught that every human being is the master of his own fate, because he has the power to direct his thoughts. The key lies in discipline. Each night, discipline your mind to dwell only on that which you wish to bring into being. Say to yourself, I am capable, I am grateful, I am ready for the opportunities that tomorrow brings. Feel those words as truth, and your subconscious will begin weaving them into your reality. Do not underestimate the power of this nightly ritual. You may not see results overnight, but as surely as the dawn follows darkness, the fruits of your nightly thoughts will appear. Your subconscious mind is loyal and obedient. It works in harmony with the images you hold with faith. So tonight, before you surrender to sleep, choose your thoughts wisely. Speak life, speak strength, and trust that your mind will carry your dreams forward while you rest. There exists within every human being a silent, unseen force that can shape destiny. The power of autosuggestion. It is the bridge between what you desire and what you become. Every thought you repeat, every word you speak with conviction, becomes a command to the subconscious mind. And the subconscious, once impressed with belief, will accept that command without question and begin to translate it into physical form. It is through this law that a mere idea becomes reality, that a dream becomes a plan, and that faith turns into fortune. When you speak before sleep, you are not merely uttering words into the night. You are giving orders to your deeper self. The subconscious mind, unlike the conscious, does not reason or debate, it obeys. It takes your words as truth and works through the mysterious forces of the universe to bring about their fulfillment. Napoleon Hill taught that what you repeat with emotion, your mind begins to believe. What you believe deeply, your mind begins to create. This is the secret of autosuggestion, repetition with belief. Consider for a moment the nature of thought. Each thought is a vibration, a pulse of energy that carries intention. When you speak words of confidence, of gratitude, of purpose, you raise that vibration and align it with success. When you repeat those words nightly, just before sleep, You engrave them into the very fabric of your subconscious. The mind, working through the hours of rest, accepts these thoughts as orders and begins to reorganize your habits, attract ideas, and magnetize circumstances to make them real. But autosuggestion works both ways. The same principle that builds empires can destroy them if misused. If you speak words of doubt, failure, or fear, your subconscious will make them your truth. It is a faithful servant, never judging, never resisting, only creating in accordance with what you feed it. That is why every word you say before you sleep carries immense power. You are, in that moment, programming your future. So tonight, speak deliberately. Declare your desires as if they are already true. Say, I am successful, I am blessed, I attract abundance and peace. Feel the emotion of these words. See them as already fulfilled. Do this with faith, and your subconscious will begin its silent labor, summoning opportunities, ideas, and strength beyond your conscious understanding. Remember always, what you repeatedly tell yourself you become.